In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Waze app. We'll walk through a quick and reliable way to get Waze onto your computer using your web browser's built-in install feature. This method creates an app-like experience on your desktop, so Waze opens in its own window, stays easy to access, and feels less like a regular tab. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Any modern browser works, but this process is most common in Chrome or Microsoft Edge on a desktop or laptop. Give the browser a moment to load so all menus appear properly. Next, search for Waze. Click into the address bar at the top, type Waze, and press Enter. You'll see results from your search engine. Look for the official Waze website in the results. It usually appears at or near the top and includes the Waze logo and the official domain. Click that result to open the Waze site. Once the Waze site is open, go to the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser window. This menu gathers a lot of helpful tools. Click it to reveal the full list. Take a second to scan the options so you can spot where the install feature lives. Now, hover your mouse over the area with items like Cast, Save, and Share. You don't need to click any of those. The reason for hovering here is that the install option tends to appear near this section in many browsers. Moving your cursor over these items helps you find the right place without accidentally selecting a different command. When you see the option that says Install Waze as App, click it. The exact wording can vary slightly based on your browser and version, but it will clearly reference installing the site as an app. This tells your browser to set up Waze as a standalone application, which is great for quick launching and a cleaner workspace. A small confirmation window will pop up. Click Install. The browser will handle the rest automatically. In just a moment, Waze will open in its own window, separate from your other tabs. You'll also get a new app shortcut on your desktop or in your applications list, depending on your operating system and browser settings. That's it. You've successfully installed Waze as an app from your browser. If you don't immediately see the shortcut, check your Applications menu or search your computer for Waze. The next time you want to use it, just open the new app shortcut for a streamlined, app-like experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy navigating with Waze.